Well, my first impressions of Peter, that he was very shy and lacked in confidence. But one thing that did touch me with his hearing impairment, that he answered every question that I asked him correctly, and I decided immediately that I should give him the opportunity to do an NVQ to progress with his essential skills.
Returning to learnings helped me improve my confidence, my ability, believing in myself.
What makes Peter so inspirational to others is that he has had the guts to commence on learning once again, and not only commence from a level 1, but to go on to level 2 so quickly and so ready to learn. And he has got a hearing impairment, but that has not stopped him for achieving what he has and what he will achieve in the future.
I like to finish off the next level 3 as professional cookery, and to gain more qualifications into me and becoming head chef one day and opening a place of my own.
Congratulations from the bottom of my heart. I am so proud, and I'd like to thank SA Brains, Cambrian Training, who I work for giving me the opportunity to be your assessor. And I have enjoyed every minute of it, and I hope to continue. And what I would like you to prepare for me is, you know, my favourite dish, superfoods with chicken. I look forward to having it when I'm next time in the Churchills. Good luck, Peter, and enjoy your evening.
I am over the moon that I have won this award. Thank you, Della, my assessor, for putting my name forward. Thank you, SA Brains, for giving me the opportunity, and CTC training for training me.